Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. This video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you best credit cards in Europe and UK. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, because the European consumer protection laws keep credit card transaction fees strictly capped here, the base rewards across Europe are much lower than the US. However, European cards excel at massive consumer protections like extended gadget warranties, online order protection, and built-in insurance. Now, let's take a look at the top 4 options that you may want to check out. Now, first is we have BEO Bank Extra MasterCard. Now, this one is popular, highly practical everyday option for European spenders. Now, it gives you a flat 1% cashback on both online and offline purchases, which is quite rare here for the European market. Now, it carries a €20 annual fee and caps your total annual cashback to around 100. Now, leaving you with a clean 80 max profit per year. Now, it also bundles in safe online insurance for a highly secure digital shopping experience. Now, next is we have American Express Platinum Cashback Card. Now, shifting over to the UK market here, this is a phenomenal card for immediate value. Now, it lures you in the excellent welcome bonus of 5% cashback up to like €2,500 spent within your first 3 months. Now, even if you don't hit the maximum spending limit here, you still walk away with a proportional cash reward here. Holding this card also keeps you cleanly eligible for upgrading to the massive welcome bonuses on the premium Amex Platinum or British Airways cards down the road here. Now, we also have the BEO Bank Internet Cashback Visa. Now, this card was a fan favorite among European online shoppers for a long time, but it has officially been discontinued. So, it used to offer like 1% cashback strictly on online purchases within like €20 annual fee and the same €100 annual reward cap. Now, while you can't apply for it anymore, its legacy paved the way for more comprehensive alternatives like the Extra MasterCard. Now, also we have what we call the American Express Gold Preferred Rewards Gold. Now, saving the absolute heaviest point builder for the last year. So the UK favorite offers like 20,000 American Express points when you spend around €3,000 in your first 3 months. Now, once you factor in your base spending point and an extra 2,000 points from using a refer a friend link here, you can easily stack up to like 25,000 points right out of the gate. Now, you can transfer these to airline partners like Avios or convert them into Nectar points worth roughly around like €166. Now, best of all here, the annual fee is completely waived for your entire first year. Now, there is a golden rule here. Now, the landscape shifts fast here, but interest rates or outstanding balances can soar past like 11.5%. So always use these cards like an insurance policy or defer unexpected payments. Now, check your eligibility before you hard pull hits your credit file here and clear your balance in full every single month to keep the rewards purely profitable. But that's about it. So, for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.